Okay, breaking back into today's video, just another quick one. I'm at the airport right now, but I wanted to bring you an altcoin I think is going to absolutely run right now. That I think this maybe is your last chance to get in before this thing rockets about 40% minimum. So not financial advice. Let's get into that today. But last video, I wanted to quickly explain why we were bullish down here at Bitcoin at range lows. While everyone was bearish, oh, then maybe this pumps over. Wrong. When people are bearish, that's when we're going to look for opportunities. Certainly, we're in this price lag where we're bullish on the 1 hour. When we get pulled back into the discount, we want to be looking for reasons to get long. We're in the 4 hour order block. We saw we had bullish price action here. We didn't get as deep a pullback as we wanted, but certainly we're looking to get in here and ride this up to take out the 4 hour high or the 1 hour high at $72,000. So certainly that's where we're looking to get in. What altcoin looks good right now? Well, it is Doge. And Doge is not something that we're just like, oh yeah, it looks good right now. We wanted to get a statistical edge on Doge, which is certainly what we did. We backtested it to find out what was the best performing moving average, and we discovered it was this one here. We want to buy when we get a daily candle closure above here, sell when we get a daily candle closure below, like we would have here, bought in at 8 cents, sold here at 17 cents. So yeah, over 2x move there. And then we've missed this chop where we've been below the best performing moving average, and now we've just broken above. Coupled with getting above our value area high, we came back up, we deviated below, and we never rebroke above this level. So your invalidation is simply a close below here. But first targets are certainly up here at 24% move at the 236 of this fib here. So if we take in the bear market, we came back down here from the move to the low. We've not even cracked the 236 yet. We came back up here, we found resistance prior. This is our second time around. So I think we're going to smash through this 20 cents level. Statistically, a lot of times when we break the 236 of a fib, we're going to make our way up to the 50%, which is coming up here at just under 40 cents. So that's going to be our first target for Doge here. And then we've talked about this before. The fib extension is the 1.272 and 93 cents. The 1.618 at $1.15. I think these are targets, certainly. And then we had the 3.618. So this is actually the 4.618, but I've drawn this fib backwards. Is coming up here at the $2.50 for Doge. Certainly, I think we're at least going to hit the 1.272 fib extension at 92 cents. I think we're going to hit $1 Doge. I know the dollar is a big psychological level, so I'm just trying to make sure I'm not missing my flight here. But I think there'll be a lot of sell pressure comes in early at $1 level. Once we break that, I think we're going to make our way up to $1.16. Now, I want to show you quickly how we got this backtest, which allowed us to build this statistical edge on Doge. This is just buying and holding over time. You can see we had this huge run in 2017, but since then, we've never got back to these highs yet. But Dogecoin, we have GME, GameStop running right now. I think Dogecoin is going to absolutely rip. It's just a matter of time, guys. So we've had to see this initial pump now, but we're kind of trailing off sideways before we get this initial run up. But if we were to use the statistical edge, this best performing moving average, we can see here, this is us in orange here, that we can actually profit in periods where Dogecoin price goes down because we're bet on falling prices. We can have this huge pump rather than turning a $1,000 investment into $56,000 or just sitting at nearly $635,000. Now, we don't have a time machine. We can't go back to 2019 and start trading this. But what we can do is use this like statistical edge from the past to look at the future, predict the future, because this has worked for so long historically, beating the market, and it's still continuing to do so. You can see here this massive growth we've had here since October rather, and 2023, and it's still performing. So we're going to use this to our advantage all the time. Not only are we above our best performing moving average here, but we're above this volume area high of this range where we've struggled to get above. We came back down below, we failed it. Now we're breaking out of this trend line. We've had resistance, resistance, resistance. We've broken above it. We actually found support on the backside. We broke above this value area high, deviated. So this is our invalidation here. But it looks like certainly we're making a pump. If we could even go lower time frame for like the 4 hour, and look and see like a flag pattern. But yeah, we're breaking out of this here. Almost, you could even say, is I think that's my flight calling now. We've got like an almost inverse head and shoulders here. The Doge looks like it's going to explode to the upside. So minimum targets right now, anywhere around 20 cents on Doge, but I'm looking to hold this much higher. So let me know, are you bullish on Doge?